A very good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to teach you chapter number 2, subject Geography for class 6. Name of chapter is Globe, Latitude and Longitudes. Now, in a previous classes, I discussed about grid, longitude and time. Now, why do we have a standard time? The time of a place depends on a longitude that passes through it. Right? Let me show you picture. Student, this is longitude passes through India and it is 82.5 eastern longitude line. Thus we need a standard meridian for the country. In India, 82.5 eastern longitude determine the standard time. The two Indian standard time, IST means Indian standard time. Okay, the two Indian standard time zones the scientists have proposed. First is Indian standard time 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of universal GMT means Grand Meridian timeline, and second is 6:30 hours ahead of a universal timeline. Right? This is the line which is 6 hours and 30 minutes ahead of universal timeline. Okay, and our second is, this is our second timeline which is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead from Grand Meridian timeline. The local time of a place which are a different meridian are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for a train which crosses a several longitudes. In India, for instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in a local time of Dwarka in Gujarat and in Assam. It is therefore necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. In India, the longitude of 82.5 eastern treated as a standard meridian, the local time at this meridian is taken as a standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time. Shouldn't this longitude line is considered as a standard Indian Standard timeline. Okay. Now let me give you a small example. Kabir lives in a small town near Bhopal. Okay, Bhopal is located in Madhya Pradesh. He tells his friend Alok that they will not be able to sleep tonight. A day and night cricket match between India and England has started at 2 p.m. in London. This means that the match would be at 7:30 p.m. in India and finish well into the night. As I told you, there is a time difference. There is a 5 hours and 30 minutes time difference between India and London. Means India is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead. Do you know what is the time difference between India and England? As I told you, 5 hours and 30 minutes. Some countries have a great longitudinal extent, and so they have adopted more than one standard time. For example, in Russia, there are as many as 11 standard time. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. Each zone thus cover a 50 degree of longitude. Student, lastly but not in list, but I am going to explain you something about standard time zone. Okay, for example, India is located here. Okay, and the timeline, the Indian Standard Time longitude passes here, okay, and our prime meridian is located somewhere here. So India is 5 hour and 30 minutes ahead, okay. Now students, how we can calculate other countries' time? For example, Atlantic Ocean. So for example, Atlantic Ocean, we are supposed to add this time. Indian Standard Time is 5 hour and 30 minutes plus this 2, that is this 3, that is Atlantic Ocean time, okay. So 5 hour and 30 minutes plus 3 means 8 hours and 30 minutes. So you are supposed to add, okay, in 5 hour and 30 minutes, okay. Then only you can get the exact or approximate time of Western countries. When you want to calculate the Eastern countries time, you are supposed to deduct, you are supposed to minus. So this is how you can calculate the exact time of country, okay. This is all for today. I'm going to explain you more in next class. Thank you so much.